Okay, so a lot of people have asked or speculated what happens when you put premix with fuel together. And some people are arguing that well, you put in the gas tank, it's going to sink to the bottom, and now it's going to clog your fuel filter because it's not mixed in, right? So I've never tried this before, but we're going to try it today as an experiment. I have here with us Amsoil Sabre Pro, which is recommended by a lot of people in the forum. It's also the cleanest one available with all these certifications here. No idea. JASO FD is supposedly the highest one. ISO LEGD. So these are supposedly the highest ratings you can get for the cleanest burning two-stroke oil. And here I have exactly 1 liter of Shell V-Power gas. So we're going to try to mix, aim for a ratio of 200 to 250 to 1. So 200 to 1 to 250 to 1, which works out for 1 liter is about 5 milliliters of premix. So this is gasoline, so gotta watch for sparks and stuff. So make sure you're grounded, right, and then have the proper safety goggles in case something happens and you won't burn your face. Okay, so oh, you hear that? It's just vapors. It smells great, people. I love the smell of gasoline. I don't know about you guys, but I'm not high on this stuff, but it just smells really good. I have here 1 teaspoon, which translates to about, I think it was 4.89 or 4.9 milliliters. It's as accurate as I can get. You know, you don't have to. This is not rocket science. You don't have to go super accurate with this. And don't worry, I'm not going to use this again to make fried chicken or get any sort of powder to cook with food again. I might if I disinfect this thing, but we'll see. So here's some Amsoil, which I'm going to pour. This stuff is thick. Look at that. You can get a shot of that stuff? Mm-hmm. Alright, so that's 5 milliliters, and I'm going to pour it into this gasoline mixture. Watch slowly. Zoom in on the gas so you see it mix as it's going in. Okay, this is just pouring in, okay? So, no mixing at all. I didn't even touch this gas, so just from the action of pouring this in here. Okay, it's pretty well mixed in. You look at the color of this thing, turn from yellow to cyan or so. If you look in the bottom, there's I don't know if that's the bottle, the way the bottle is done, or how it is. It looks like it's the bottle is not selling. So what I'm going to do is to simulate what happens when you put it when you actually put it in your car. Normally you would put the premix in first, and then you put the gas in, because when your gas is going in, it creates the convection and it'll mix by itself. So to simulate that, we're just going to mix it like this. And I would say that's pretty mixed in, right? So this is what it looks like. Looks pretty mixed to me. So as you can see, although people say it might settle, we're going to end this video shortly, and I'm going to leave this bottle outside my balcony for over 24 hours. Tomorrow night, I'm going to take a picture of this bottle to simulate what would happen if you had filled up and parked your car overnight. That way, we can just put an end to this myth about premix. Like, well, actually, I can only put an end to the myth of using this particular premix, Amsoil Sabre Pro. So we'll see what happens. Thank you.